Hello and welcome to Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. Well, folks, we need to be on the lookout for severe weather today. Today and tomorrow, severe weather is going to be likely for parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, Colorado, and Kansas. We have a setup, folks, that I'm afraid to say is perfect for formation of large hail. We'll also have heavy rain and damaging winds, the threat of heavy rain and strong winds with these storms, but hail is the one we really need to watch out for. Southeast winds on the surface will bring moist air from the southeast, but those southeast winds will be at an opposite direction of winds aloft, which will be from the northwest. So this tends to bring hail, strong winds, and heavy rain with these thunderstorms. We're kind of in the summer doldrums where the weather isn't going to change much day in and day out. And that northwest flow continues here for another 3 days. And that northwest flow, combined with these southeast winds on the ground, will set the stage for afternoon and evening thunderstorms through Thursday. Then we'll see less by Friday and the weekend. So let's focus in on the severe weather threat. The Storm Prediction Center shows this yellow area as the highest risk of severe weather today, but really anywhere in the green, darker green, you're going to have the risk of stronger thunderstorms. The lighter green shading means weaker thunderstorms. Notice the risk of hail. So the hail risk today is highest in this crosshatch black area outlined here, but really anywhere in this yellow area, anywhere in even the 5% area, there's a high risk of severe weather. Southeast winds on the ground bring up warm, moist air in. The winds aloft come in from the northwest. When they come in opposite directions like that, a lot goes on in the atmosphere, and we'll dig in a little bit more here shortly. This is for tomorrow, for Wednesday. The risk is the same, basically over the same general area. And notice how the bullseye is over southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and southwest Nebraska. This is a very typical setup for hail. Southeast winds bringing in moisture, northwest winds aloft bringing in strong winds aloft, drier air aloft, setting the stage for hail formation. Tomorrow, this is the hail percentage, and notice that bullseye remains in basically the same area. So for the next 2 days, if you're along or east of I-25 in southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, or northeastern Colorado, throw that car in the garage or have a plan to move that vehicle if these storms head in your direction. Now I want to go into detail showing you what is going on with the pattern and why this is such a good setup for hail. Here is the surface charts for today. This is a low. Sorry about that. There's a low here right over the Denver area. The winds follow these black lines. These are called isobars, areas of equal pressure. So the surface winds will follow counterclockwise around the low here, bringing up moist air from the southern plains, really the Gulf. Higher humidity air comes in, but the winds aloft come in from this direction. The winds aloft coming in from the northwest, and here you can see it at 18,000 feet. The winds aloft from the northwest bring in drier air to the higher levels, while that moist, warmer air at the lower levels is coming up from here. The moisture helps form the clouds, help form the thunderstorms. The shear helps cause lift. This is upslope into the Cheyenne Ridge area, the higher terrain right here. The drier air aloft causes the thunderstorms to be colder up high, because the drier air causes evaporation at first. That cools off the air up high. It's easier to make hail form in this type of setup. Also helping are some upper level disturbances coming in the northwest flow, trending this direction, which will help initiate the storms first over the mountains, then moving across the plains. So keep your fingers crossed and hope it just rains in your neck of the woods and you miss the hail. We'll see you on Wednesday.